Ming. Hello. How are you? You are hungry? Look at me. You are hungry? You are hungry. Okay, I have some grilled chicken for you. Wait, just wait. Are you excited? Here. You don't like? This is grilled chicken. You don't like? Oh, why? Eat. Why you don't like to eat? Are you sick? Are you sad? Oh, I don't know why. She doesn't like to eat. Okay. Maybe she was abandoned here and suffering from depression. She doesn't like to eat. Here. Grilled chicken. Oh, you don't like? Okay. I'll meet my cat friends. Bye bye. I feel sorry for this cat. I think she's waiting for somebody to pick her up. So she's doing the hunger strike. She's thin now. And if she will not eat, she will die. She will die of starvation. But anyway, good luck, Ming. I hope to see you next week, and I hope by next week you will eat. Okay? See you. Bye bye.